Write the equation for an ellipse. In this problem, we are given a graph of an ellipse, and we're going to write an equation for it. Step 1. Identify the major and minor axis. And they are the distance between 0 and the end of the ellipse on each axis. The major axis is the greater of the two. So variable A will represent the major axis, and B will represent the minor axis. Step 2. Given where the major axis is, substitute into its corresponding formula. So the formula for the ellipse, if A is the horizontal axis, will be given as so. And if A is the vertical axis, will be given here. Since A is the vertical axis, we are going to use this formula. Now, we substitute in our A and B. Step 3, evaluate and simplify. 6 squared and 8 squared, we're going to evaluate those. And that leaves us with x squared over 36 plus y squared over 64 equals 1. And that is our answer, and that completes our problem.